Winds are bringing all of that Gulf moisture that's not only piling the water up along the coast, that's why you have those coastal flood problems, but it's just bringing all that humidity in here and juicing the atmosphere. Now that can fall as rain as well. That's going to be the problem as we go into the weekend. We not only have a very warm tropical air mass over the area, but we have all of this moisture that's going to be pulled in off the Bay of Campeche, and of course this is Patricia right there with that circulation. 190-mile-an-hour winds. We've seen 200 sustained. We still have gusts of 235. We wouldn't know that if the brave men and women that are on the Air Force reconnaissance missions didn't go in there and find that out. So keep those folks in your thoughts. That is a tough mission, and they have been in that for the last few days and continue at this hour. You can see that's going to continue even as a 3 as it moves into Mexico, a Category 3 inland. That's how strong this is. Katrina dropped down before it made landfall. This one hasn't dropped down as it's made landfall. It's just about there. There's the eye. I would say it's 5:20 by 7 o'clock. And we'll be on shore here. Puerto Vallarta is right here. A lot of people have asked about that. They're going to get the rain and the attendant mudslides and, of course, some strong winds. And we'll see the damage pictures out of there as early as tomorrow. So all of this continues to move our way. I have a lot of future casts to show you as we move into Saturday and Sunday. And you'll notice red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow. Let's go in a little closer here. So pause points. That's 1 o'clock Saturday when the heaviest rain starts to move into the Houston area. Before then, it's to the west, but then it moves in. Saturday at 7, it's still there. We continue to see it right through the overnight. That's midnight on Saturday into Sunday morning, right through 7 a.m. Sunday morning. As we get into the afternoon, we still have rain, but it begins to thin out. But this is an all-weekend event. And look at this futurecast rainfall. This is 1 o'clock on Saturday. The blue is 1.5 inches, so we're not looking at a huge amount for tomorrow morning. But once we get into the afternoon, we go to the reds and the golds. That's 4 to 6 to 8 inches of rain by 7 o'clock Saturday. And look what happens. This is 12 inches of rain, and this is by Sunday morning early and continues to move across the area. We could very well see a foot of rain. And you see this green in here? That's more than a foot of rain. That doesn't mean it's going to be in Liberty County right over Dayton, which is the way it looks, but that means that the possibility is there to have more than a foot of rain across the area. The American model also, that was what we call the rapid refresh model. This is the American model, 6 to 8 inches, 10 to 12, 3 to 5, very wet, both of them. So here's my timeline. Saturday from 6 a.m. to noon, the heaviest rain is west and southwest from Columbus down toward Matagorda Bay. Saturday noon to Sunday noon, the heaviest is right in the Houston area and surrounding counties and to the coast. So that 12-hour block or 24-hour block from Saturday noon to Sunday noon, and then Sunday noon after the rain begins to exit the area, but not before dropping very heavy, dangerous flooding rains. A 100% chance of it. 30% on Monday, 76, 82 next week, and then as we get to Halloween weekend, it looks dry-ish compared certainly to tonight, or rather to tomorrow and Sunday as we go through the next couple of days. Friday football tonight, no problem.